Hello, I'm Dr. Robert Brown with the Elite Chiropractic and Rehab in Bloomington, Illinois. Who do you know that has back pain? Well, here at Elite Chiropractic and Rehab, I want to show you what a low back pain adjustment would look like in a chiropractic office. As you can see here, it's going to be very painless, but it's very effective. Usually the patient will hear a popping noise. So this is an example of what a low back adjustment would look like. So basically, we roll the patient here, and we just do a nice little drop, like that. And it moved very nicely. So if you're wondering what a low back pain adjustment looks like, well, there you go. So anyway, if you'd like to come in for a free consultation, you can certainly do that. We would love to have you. Our phone number is 309-663-9900.